In this video, I will show you how to add a custom MCP server inside Emergent. First, make sure you are signed into your Emergent account. Then, go to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From the menu, select Account Settings. Next, click on Manage Agents, and inside this page, look for the MCP Tools section. Here you will see your available MCP servers and tools. To add a new one, click the plus icon to create a new MCP server. Now you can configure your custom MCP server. Enter a name, add a short description for what the server does, and then paste your JSON configuration. Once all fields are filled in, click Verify and Save. After it verifies successfully, your custom MCP server will be added and ready to use inside Emergent. That's how you add a custom MCP server in Emergent. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.